Welcome to our detailed guide on the top 10 benefits of endives, a leafy vegetable that's a powerhouse of nutrition and health benefits. 1. Rich in nutrients. Endives are a nutritional treasure trove, low in calories, but high in essential vitamins and minerals. They are particularly rich in folate, vitamin A, and vitamin K, making them a great choice for a healthy diet. 2. Digestive health. Endives boast a high fiber content, which is crucial for digestive health. This fiber helps improve digestion, aids in regular bowel movements, and can be a natural remedy for constipation. 3. Heart health. The potassium found in endives plays a vital role in heart health. It helps regulate blood pressure and reduces the risk of cardiovascular diseases, making endives a heart-friendly vegetable. 4. Bone strength. Vitamin K, abundant in endives, is essential for bone metabolism and maintaining strong bones. This makes endives an excellent food for preventing osteoporosis and supporting overall bone health. 5. Weight management. If you're looking to manage your weight, endives are an excellent choice. They are low in calories, high in fiber, and can create a feeling of fullness, helping to reduce overall calorie intake. 6. Anti-inflammatory properties. Endives contain unique compounds that have anti-inflammatory properties. These can help reduce inflammation in the body, providing relief from various inflammatory conditions. 7. Immune support. With a good amount of vitamin C, endives can give your immune system a boost. This is crucial for fighting off infections and maintaining overall health. 8. Skin health. The vitamin A in endives is not only good for your eyes, but also promotes healthy skin. It may protect against UV damage and contribute to skin repair and maintenance. 9. Cancer prevention. Research suggests that certain compounds found in endives can reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. This is due to their antioxidant properties, which help combat harmful free radicals in the body. 10. Eye health. Endives are a good source of beta-carotene, which is known to be beneficial for eye health. Regular consumption can help prevent age-related eye disorders. Incorporate endives into your diet to enjoy these amazing health benefits, whether in salads, as a cooked vegetable, or a creative addition to your meals. Endives are not only nutritious, but also versatile and delicious.